Here is a simple strategy you can use right now to trade boom and crash or to trade against spikes. So this strategy is very much easy and it's easy to follow, and it will tell you when to enter and when to exit. So this strategy only uses the default indicators in MetaTrader 5, and these are the indicators and these are its parameters or properties. So you can take a screenshot and save them later. And this is for the relative strength index and the other relative strength index, and finally the MACD. Okay, so now that you've seen the properties, so how do you use these indicators to trade against spikes? Well, with this strategy you're going to be trading against spikes whenever a spike happens. So in short, you're going to be selling whenever a spike happens. So when we will be selling and when we will be closing the trade? Well, there are only two conditions you're going to be looking out for, and once those conditions are met, you'll be able to do what needs to be done. So follow this cross here. Okay, so for example, over here we've got the green line, the blue and the red. So focus most on the green and focus most on the blue and the red combined. So in this case, if we would like to sell, okay, the only thing, but before I continue talking about when you can sell and when you can close, let me first talk about the perfect zoom level. So what you need to do is, first of all, start by zooming out completely, then zoom in twice. So I'm going to zoom in twice. 1, 2, perfect. So okay, so now here already makes a good opportunity to sell. So why am I saying so? So I'm saying so because to sell, what you need to do is, so simply wait for the green line to cross the 90 level. So you might be wondering which one is the 90 level, because you can only see the 100 and the 80 level. Well, the 90 level is the level between 100 and the 80 is the dotted line. So where there's the cross here, this is the 90 level, where there's the dotted line, and that's what you need to wait for. So at this level you can enter a trade by selling, and when should you close? We will need to close whenever the green line reaches the 50 level. Okay, how about the blue and red line? Well, we have to make sure that the red line is below the blue line before you can sell. So that's the only condition. So let's see some live examples in this market and see how best this can work. So I'm going to scroll. So I'm going to scroll here, like at this point. So at this point the green line is touching there. So here at this point the green line is not touching the 90, but here the green line is touching the 90 level. So let's say you sell over here. When you sell over here, you need to wait for the green line to hit the 50 level, and this is the 50th level. So with these candles, it's possible that you can make between $5 and $10 with a minimum lot size. Okay, let me look for another opportunity. Okay, here it did not touch the 90. Here it did not touch the 90. Here it did touch the 90. So let us say you enter the trade here. Okay, then you would have closed at the 50 level there, you would have made a lot of profit. Okay, here it did not touch the 90 level, here it did touch the 90 level. Let us say you entered the trade here and you would have closed at this 50 level. So give it a try in boom and crash, and let me know how it works in the comment section. So this is an indicator build strategy. If you are looking for more serious and complex stuff, you might want to check out my derivative synthetic indices full course and learn about more advanced concepts and forget about indicators. So but for now, remember to give this video a like and subscribe too.